ta guys, dito na kami. The kitchen. Na siya ang door. With a mirror.
Where's Ethan?
There with him. Uy, Ethan! Tingnan niyo yan. Tapos, ayan siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Merong ganyan. Then, ito yung living room. Ayan siya. Watch Ethan. Where is Ethan? Tapos sa labas, yan. Dito lang ako kasi dito sa Ethan. Kunan ko lang yan siya mamaya. Oh, tingnan niyo, meron silang ganito. Basta yan. It's cold. Sa mga kids na room. So, pasukin natin. Pagpasok mo dito, yan. Tapos, meron siya dito. Ayan ko ito. Ano ito? Closet. Oh, so, ayan, closet. You like it, be? Then, merong TV every room. Ayan siya. Siya dyan. Tapos, ano dito nakalagay? Hindi mo na tayo marunong, dahil. Oh, ayan. Okay. So, ito. Ayan. Oh. Tapos, labas tayo. It's nice. Kuwanto siya, guys? 1,600 for 7 nights. Dito yung CR. Oh, yung ganda. Ito yung CR. Tingnan nyo, stress ang lola. Yes? Yan yung bathroom. So, puntahan mo natin si Tada, Dibi! Wow! It's nice! Here!
Yeah. Oh, the room's right here.
Look at here!
Thanks, buddy.
Look at here lang! Hello, tingnan nyo guys. Tapos yung swimming pool dyan, oh.
I'd rather be down lower.
Yeah, it's nice, no? Oh, really?
Yeah, I got used to it. It'll be here for
Oh, there's aquan, oh, kahit... sakit ay. Hey, it's nice. Uy, tingnan si Ethan. It's very nice, Masbon. So, meron pa dito, guys. So, dito, makikita mo yung... Ano ba dito? Master bedroom, ha? Hot tub? Oh, yeah.
There's a pool here and a hot tub over there. Hot tub over there.
Okay. There.
This gate here goes to the beach. Got gate code on that too to get out.
Okay. Nice mouse one. So, ito yung... So, dito guys, sa hallway, meron siyang ganito. Dito pala yung ano sa hallway. Ayan yung laundry area. Oh, meron silang ganyan. Ano to? Scorpion. Ewan ko ano yan. Tapos dito, tingnan natin. Iba. Pan pala dito, day. Ayan. So, dito yung master's bedroom. Tingnan yung master bedroom, guys. Tapos, andun na sila sa labas. Nag-alala ako nga Ethan. So, dito, katulad din sana dito yung closet. Ang ganda siya na condominium. Uy, may iron pala. Ayan. Ganda siya. Tapos, dito yung toilet. Ganda. Ayan yung ano, bathtub. Just dyan. Ano ba na dito? So, marami kaming dinadala, guys. Ayan yung, ano. Ayan na siya, towel. Kasi ito paglabas, yan. Meron tayo dito. Yan. Ayan siya. siya. Tapos dito pwede mo naman siya i-close. Oh. Ayan, pwede siya i-close. CR na tayo. Oh, ito. May lighter sila. Tapos dito, meron silang
We got the door.
Fabulex, ha? Tapos dito yung refrigerator. They have toaster, mga saban.
Yes, I said my place got toaster, got a coffee maker.
Oh, very nice.
Huh?
Very nice.
All right, let's see our shit again.
Let's go get the stuff.
Right here.
Oh, yan, tingnan niyo.
Hurry up, put one on. Here.
Wow, that's cool.
You gotta turn these back in too. For $25 a piece, you know.
Coffee. Ano dito? Oh, may mga ball. Yan dyan. They have Monday Eye here. We should bring the brownies, no?
Huh?
Should bring the brownies.
I didn't bring you, did you?
Didn't.
Should have. Here, we got some.
There's a lot of little plate here.
Yeah, it's got dishes and stuff. It's got.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, we got some paper plates, so we got wash and stuff. To deal
Yeah.
with whether they get broke or not.
Yeah. Dito yung ano. Let's go! Yan yung sink. Dito ang nakalagay dito. Dito na meron silang fire extinguisher. Huh? Yeah, it's nice. Let's go na, be.
Don't lose it.
Tingnan niyo yung kanilang microwave. Wow, it's so clean. Ang linis, no?
Shrimp basket.